How to swipe right or left in Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can like or unlike other people in this app. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, simply tap on people. So this is the section where you can swipe right or left. So basically, when you swipe left, it means you don't like them, and basically when you swipe right, it means that you like them. So you can do it for everything. So you can do it, and later you can even match with other people. So if you both like each other, you'll be able to have conversation and later start dating. So basically this is the concept of this Bumble app. Here, the one that you like will be able to even match with you, and it will even show in their feed about your profile. Later you guys can catch up and start dating. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.